know English.
Loudly.
Yes, if you don't know English, how you will connect the people, those who lives in America, who lives in Africa, in all the countries? How you will connect that people if you don't know English?
Why we have to connect?
Because of business.
No. Why we are not taking? We are not doing business in India.
We can do business in India, but you know where we sell our business thing, where we sell our product, we can sell our product in abroad. So you have to connect, you have to speak in English, then you can connect the people who lives in America or other countries.
If they want to connect with me,
Then how they
they
can-
have to learn Hindi.
Yeah. How
Yes,
they
but Hindi is not acceptance. All the countries,
Why?
53 countries is acceptance Hindi,
Why?
Okay.
English,
What
and
is the
400 million people. 400 million people speak in
Okay,
English.
tell me the reason.
Yeah.
Okay,
Why?
I'm just telling you the
Yes.
reason. The reason is that English is a very important language.
Why?
Okay,
And
I'm
Hindi?
just telling you.
Yes.
If 53 countries are adopting it as an official language, then it is a important language. Then how can you say that Hindi is important rather than English?
English
tell
is
me one
important,
thing.
okay, but in Hindi, you just tell like that. You want to do business, then how they can connect to? We connect to in abroad, okay? Then how they can connect with us in India.
Because of English, they connect with us because
Then-
of
Okay,
English.
okay, listen.
You told-
Don't go international level. If you are a civil servant and you go to inspection in village tribal areas, okay, then how will you connect with the people?
You are saying that village areas peoples are not knowing English.
I said tribal areas,
Yes,
remote
tribal
areas.
nowadays they are also growing and they also speak in English.
Can you connect with every person
Yeah.
by the English?
No.
Okay,
Every
okay.
person can understand English.
Yeah.
In India.
How you can say that your grandmother understand English?
Yeah.
How?
No, but
No.
I have
Yes.
I have to only convey the message. If there is only one people is educated, they know English in rural area or a tribal area, so then we can do our work. We need only one people. Why we need all the people to connect?
No.
Why do we
if
need
you
a
are
mediator?
doing-
Why do you need a translator? Suppose you will talk to a person in English and the person translate your sentence in Hindi
Hindi.
to make them understand. Why do we need a translator? If
And
you
you
if
just-
you know the Hindi, if you know Hindi, then you can directly connect
If
with
you
the
are
people.
saying Hindi, then nowadays you are using the pure Hindi. No, you are using some English words in Hindi.
And nowadays we are not using pure English.
Yeah.
we are using
Okay.
pure English, but we are not using pure English. I know, but
You
we
know-
are not involving
you know-
Hindi in it. Okay.
you know English-
But in Hindi
You
we
can
are involving
also-
English.
Listen to me. English language is made from Sanskrit. You know.
But
Yeah.
And
today,
Hindi language is also made from Sanskrit.
okay.
No,
Okay.
we are not talking about Sanskrit.
Yes.
Okay, just
But
We
from
have to
where
give
English
importance
is-
to
But
both
today,
languages.
most popular language is what?
Both.
Most popular language we can say English.
Yes.
But,
Yeah, you are
but
saying.
suppose you are a teacher of 6th class
Okay.
and you are teaching a science
Yeah.
in Hindi medium school.
Okay.
Then
Which
how-
language you prefer? Do you prefer?
I will. Okay, I am just telling you. In nowadays,
No,
students
just
are
no
not
answer. Give.
You are teaching science. You are using a word photosynthesis again and again,
And children.
and they can't understand what is
understand what is the
photosynthesis.
meaning of.
In Hindi medium. No English subject is available there.
English is a subject only.
Yeah.
Okay, English is a language only.
In English medium,
we
Hindi
can't
is
teach.
also a subject
We can't
only.
teach science in foreign language. Suppose English in Hindi medium school.
In nowadays,
Okay. My question is, if a student who is reading in English medium,
Yes.
okay, but if you will talk that translation, so how he will understand the translation? Because of you have to make him understand in English. That's why he will understand.
Why should we need to learn in English? हमें इंग्लिश पढ़ने की जरूरत
Because to
you are using Hindi.
okay.
Why do we need to learn in English?
English has an important role. You know, you will get more content for exam in English medium.
But
in English
in-
medium.
in-
And
maximum
also
in
question
is available in Hindi.
yes, you can.
You
just
say.
say.
Can you speak once more this question?
This type of question.
in an
Okay.
exam.
Why do we
question-
need to learn in English medium?
In this era, English is very important for us because every country is developed as like America, many countries as like then every countries need English. That countries English has, but our country is not English because our country's people because our country's people they don't understand and they don't know very well because our countries has many language, so English is necessary but not
Yeah,
important
yeah.
for our countries.
Yeah, you are saying right. Hindi is also important for us. Okay.
Okay, my question is to you: how you will convey your message? Suppose how our Prime Minister Narendra Modi will convey the message to Donald Trump. In which language he will convey the message?
Donald Trump, I think he
No.
know Hindi.
Okay,
No, he
one
doesn't
thing,
know
one
Hindi.
thing.
You can
Why-
listen his Hindi word.
Why does the Narendra Modi know the English language? Donald Trump can know Hindi language.
Yeah. If Narendra Modi know in
Okay. If Narendra Modi doesn't know English, okay, then how does Donald Trump give their opinion
to
to Narendra
Narendra Modi.
Why can't we not learn English? If
Firstly, you reply our question.
I am
answer,
just
okay.
I am just replying your answer. If you know English is the official language of 53 countries, we can't
Yes.
change that 53 countries official language to Hindi to English. Sorry, English to Hindi. So how are you saying that we will they will learn Hindi to talk with us?
First of all, tell me one thing. Why does the English official language of 53 countries?
Because
Because-
English is a global language and English is
How it become global?
English
Because
if
of I
you-
think Britain
Yes.
rule in all over the world. I
Yes,
think okay.
yes.
So because of this, Britain imposed the English language in all over the country. That's why English
So-
is
And,
become an
So
international language.
we are giving importance to British. We are not giving importance to English medium.
We are giving
We are
importance-
criticizing Hindi medium.
We are giving
Okay.
importance to the language of developed countries, and as you all know, India is a developing country. It
Yes.
should copy the developed countries to be also developed.
We can also develop with Hindi medium.
We can't develop with
Why?
Hindi
How
medium
can we-
because
Why you want to say that?
Okay.
In
Why
India,
Hindi
we are
medium?
not developing.
okay,
Tell me one
develop-
thing.
Okay,
Why can we not develop in Hindi medium?
I am just saying.
Yes.
For a develop the country which is going to be developed has also need money, and for money the India has to do business also. As you can see, the India is doing business of many things, spices and other COVID vaccines also.
Yes.
So it has to be also contact to the foreign countries. Then how the India will contact in English?
He said that translator.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can use.
By translator.
But they can't understand Hindi, so how can you say that?
The translator
Translator.
know both the language. They know how to translate.
Okay,
Hindi to
if
English.
our Prime Minister goes to America or other country, foreign country, where English is spoken mostly, so his conference is in English. Why it is not in Hindi? Because they understand English. They connected each other. To connect each other in English is very easy.
Only Indian people have the ability to also speak English, but the foreign countries have means different tongue that they can't speak Hindi fluently. So if we have ability, then we can't. Why we are not using that?
Yes.
Yeah,
This is the
you
reason
are- this
they
is
can't
the-
speak Hindi.
Hindi.
That's
But
why
we are
English
the-
get more importance.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
we
Okay.
want to
It is.
speak in
We
English,
can't
then
say
we are
English
speaking
language is a
English.
better language than Hindi. We give importance because they can't speak Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
in
the matter.
English is a better
First
language than
answer my
Hindi.
previous question. If
Yes.
you want to do business with other countries, then in which language you will
You
talk?
will speak.
We can speak in Hindi also.
How
Because
will you? They
they
will
don't
not
understand.
understand.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
if
Only
we are,
India don't need to do business with other country.
And-
Other country also need to do business with India.
then how
Okay,
they can
then they need to-
make
I'm
They
it-
need
just
to learn Hindi.
doing developed countries and developing countries. So India has to
Okay, okay.
done with
There
developed
are
countries.
there are also undeveloped country.
You are saying
there
that-
are also in developing countries.
First, answer
Okay.
my question.
Yes,
If
I am.
India-
Wait. You are saying that in India there are produced spices like that. Then how they can connect with us? Because
How they
Because
will
of English.
answer my question? Why are you going further? Please answer my question. How,
Okay.
in which language you will talk?
Suppose
we are calling to
Okay.
translate.
okay, I'm
You
I'm
are you are also talking to translator in English.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Because we are talking to in Hindi, they are translate to convert in English, then they are.
But
manage.
developed countries means the senior doesn't give these type of value to junior. You have no time to
If they are
translate
not-
that and that.